Hi guys, my name is Sumit Berry and welcome to Happiness per KM. After owning different kinds of motorcycles like a Thruxton R, an X-Pulse, GT650 and a Ninja 1000, I have realized that ADVs are something which are very practical for our kinds of roads. Whether it is touring, off-road terrain or city rides, I think ADVs can do it all. So that's the reason I purchased this motorcycle. There's something mesmerizing about accessorizing your beloved motorcycle, and that's where ADVs provide you ample opportunities to accessorize them with the products that are available in the market, which are very practical. They're not just for the looks, they are for function. Today we are at DN's Kitchen Garden, which is owned by my dear friend Dipankar Barua, who has been kind enough to let his space for us to shoot. Hi Dipankar.
Hi.
So would you want to tell us something about your kitchen garden that you have provided?
This is a post-lockdown product, and DN's Kitchen is my father's, by the name of my father's. Like DN is my father's, short name. So he's Devananda Barua. So he has curated and he has designed all the beds and all these fencings, and even the shade is built by him.
Okay.
So he's an engineer by profession, and it's our hobby, kitchen gardening. And so we were doing nothing. I lost my job during the lockdown.
So
we have taken this initiative to cultivate some good organic vegetables for ourselves, and then whoever comes, they pick up.
So also guys, in case you love some home cooked food in the middle of this farm, this is the place for you. You can contact Dipankar Barua. The description is available in the video. Today I'm going to talk about the critical mods that I've done on my recently purchased BMW f850 GS. These mods can be done to any ADV depending on your body type. You can have handlebar risers, you can go in for aux lights in case you have visibility issues in the night. So I'll quickly take you through the mods that I've done on my bike. First of all, let's start with the windshield. This is a taller windshield purchased from Puj, and the stock one was quite low, and it was not very useful for long touring because wind blast was too much. So I upgraded to this windshield. It costed me about 12,500 rupees. If you ask me, it is the best solution available in the market? No, it is not. But yes, it is better than the stock. Second, I went in for the handlebar risers because the stock position is not suitable for my height. For anybody who is about 6 feet tall, the stock position is quite low, and especially when you stand on the saddle, then you need handlebar risers. So that is the reason I went in for ROX handlebar riser purchased from Path Favors. Then the phone mount you see here is a Bobo phone mount. It is a very inexpensive and affordable solution to put in your phone to check for directions and check for phone calls. It's quite nice. Though I can pair my phone with the OEM display which is provided by BMW, but still it is always better to see the directions in your phone because Google Maps is available here and not here. Then I also have installed the bark busters. These help me to protect my levers whenever there is a fall. Today also while shooting I had a minor fall and my levers are intact. So this is a must-have accessory on any of the ADVs. You must have it. Then I've got a tank bag from Jivi. It is very comfortable. Earlier I used to use an SW tank bag, but it was not very easy to handle, to take it off, though it was also quick release. But actual quick release is this. If you see, there's one lever here. Just pull it and take it off, and you can have you can use it with one hand and mount it like this. Of course, it's that easy. Also, this motorcycle comes with a stock crash guard, which you can see in this silver color. This came from BMW. This also works as a footrest. When you are on a long ride, you get tired, you want to change your feet position. So instead of the pegs, you can keep your feet here. Not recommended to do that in traffic at all. Only on straight stretches where there is no traffic or lesser traffic. TankGuard. This is called a TankGuard, crash guard. You can call it anything. But this is not available stock from the factory. I installed it. This is a Hepco and Becker crash guard. and this also helps your fairing in case of tip overs. You're not stranded in the middle of nowhere. Though people say, why do I need a crash guard, because I've got zero dep insurance for my bike. But what will you do when you are in the middle of a jungle or up in the Himalayas where there is no support? So a crash guard is quite handy in that situation. So guys, another important mod with respect to touring that I've done to this motorcycle are the grip puppies. The name sounds funny, but they are very popular around the world. A lot of people use them. So I just gave it a try. How are these? And I've used this for 5,000 kilometers on my Goa trip recently. And trust me, these are also a must-have for your motorcycle because one, they provide you immense amount of grip. You don't tend to lose your grip when you're riding, and also a lot of vibration is dampened because of these. So I seriously recommend using them on all the motorcycles. Guys, you will be surprised to know that I have installed very inexpensive fog lights or aux lights, you can say. These are the Mad Dog Scout. It's not even Scout X, it's the basic Scout. The reason I had to go in for this, other than the popular Clear Waters and Denali, because BMW manual does not says that it cannot support anything more than 18 watts. So this is the safest bet, and the headlight is quite powerful. So I was happy with this model. So I didn't go in for Clear Water. And also, a lot of people have been using those lights, which are absolutely blinding for the oncoming traffic. I don't recommend using them on the highways wherein you have oncoming traffic. They're only for off-roads or jungle treks if you do. And lastly, I have this Jivi plate which came with the top case. I have got a 42-liter top case. You can see here. This is installed over the stock top rack which came from BMW. I did some minor modification thanks to the guys at Zana International. They did some mods to install it, and I saved about 24,000 rupees. Otherwise, I would have to purchase some Hepco and Becker or an SW Motec tail rack. So that's it, guys. In future, I plan to install saddle stays, which will come right here on the both sides. And guys, another future upgrade that I am looking for is to change the tires, because the stock tires, which are the Bridgestone Battle Axe, are not really suitable on even slight of the off-roads. I've had bad times in the past 2 months. So I'm looking forward to get some better tires, as long as as soon as the tire imports open up. So that's it, guys. This is all about my BMW F850 GS. Should you want to know more about anything on this bike or about the features of this bike, do write in the comments below. And don't forget to click like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel called Happiness Per KM. Thank you for watching.